Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Natalie. You can ignore this geometric border. I'm not going to use it. I had great plans, but you know, all great plans, they don't all fail, but you know, this one did. This is the sprinkle hearts. I'm using a little bit of shimmery paste from my stash. You could use, there's lots of different pastes out there. Make sure you clean it off really quick, otherwise this stuff will dry like concrete. That's all dry. I'm trimming it down to 14.1 by 9.7 centimeters. And this card is relatively straightforward and simple. When I was playing around with the other one, I die cut 2 hearts. These are the Love Heart die. I've cut 2 of them out of foil cardstock, gold foil cardstock, and I've done a little slip. You can sort of see it hiding underneath there on the right hand side. A little slip, and then I've used that slip just to entwine them so they are linked. This is the Starry Nights Shimmery Starry Nights Gamside Tammy Starry Nights paint. One of them, the water bottle, just decided to be a little bit nuts, so there's a lot of water in that one. And I've used Starry Night, champagne and yellow gold. And just making sure that's well and truly stuck down with my phone. This is Paper Rose All Occasions. Now I've had this sentiment pack for a long time. There is so much still in there. It is, you've got black with white writing, the white with black writing, and it's all occasions, as its name suggests. So it's a really good bang for your buck. This is the Happy Wedding Day, because there's lots of glitz and lots of sparkle in this card. Using a little bit of wet glue just to make sure it oozes down into the texture that is in the sparkle through the sparkle paste. I lost words for a second. Because it's not a smooth cardstock, so it needs a little bit of help just to hold on, and it also gives a little bit of wiggle room just to make sure that's all nice and straight. I'm going to raise this up with a little bit of foam. As you can see, you can pretty much see the end card there. The last thing I'm going to do after I've raised it up is play around with some clear crystal mix. This is, I think it's meant for mostly shaker cards, but I actually use it differently. So thinking about how you can use things that aren't always the way the original person thought about it to use. I have cut the video here a little bit because I do play around for quite a while with trying to get my positions. They blend in a lot, and in the original card it just adds that little bit of interest and a little bit of texture because it's a very touchy-feely type of card. So it's, I just want to sit there and just run my fingers over it with the gorgeous sprinkled Love Hearts stencil. So that's pretty much it. So if you like what you see today, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It really does help our channel. I'll leave a link down below to all the products that I've used today. And that's it. I hope you're well. Take care. Talk soon. Bye.